What's up, traders, and welcome to Wednesday, the 12th of October's pre-market plan from CNE Stocks. My name is Will. In this short video, I've got ideas for the SPY, for AMD, and also Tesla. All bearish ideas. I am not looking to long stocks yet in this market, and I'm still remaining as a super bearish trader right now. So let's just get into this video. First things first, as always, is our SPX overlook. One thing I do want to highlight in this little briefing of SPX is the daily candle. I did say in yesterday's video for Tuesday that I wanted to see some indecision candle, and that is what we saw. We can now see this spinning top candle has formed, leading to an influx in buying and selling from a decent amount of chop, which we did see yesterday. So basically for today, on the Wednesday, we are looking for a break below the low for our continued strike on this downtrend. One thing I also do want to make a point of is that the SMAs on the weekly chart. So if we just zoom out real quick, we can see this blue line right here, which is the 200 SMA, and we are actually touching this level once again. So we are now looking for a continuation, or at least a continuation for this breakdown of this level. Particularly, I don't know, I think this target around here, this 3500 level, is in reach for perhaps, let's say, I mean, we could see it this week, we could see it next week. Remember, we do have the CPI data coming out again Thursday, and I've completely forgot, it's went completely out of my head, but there's also some big news coming out Friday for the market as well. So we are looking for this 3500 level to be tested very, very soon on SPX. So let's get into these next ideas. First one is SPY, our beloved SPY. So if we just go onto the 15-minute chart, this is what I'm seeing. So take off the EMAs. I said 363 rejection. If you remember from the previous videos, I've always said I am bearish under 363. And as you can see, we have tested this 363 level, and we've got an instant rejection. Price did not climb one level above 363. So super key level on this one. I've been saying this for quite a long time now, but it's just nice to see that the levels are working. I've added some PTs. So my first PT is 355.12, and my second one is 351.71, which are basically just below the September lows, which we did actually end up breaking today as well. We have got a double bottom on the daily chart, but in my opinion, there's a lot of chop, and I think we are bound to see some more downside if we do not break this 363 level. So just to make sure of that one. That is my SPY idea. Let's go on to the next idea. Next one is AMD, our beloved AMD. This is another 15-minute chart, as you can see, back in this range, whatever. We're now ranging down here. So I've stated consolidating. Want to see a breakdown. I'm short under 60.15, which is this level right here, this resistance level. Profit targets are on screen. So we've got 56.60, which has been a magnetic support for this stock very recently. We've got 55.3 and also 53.8, which is just below labeled profit target. So we've got one down here, and then we've got two more levels just below here as well, which we are looking to test. Now, I'm not going to be longing shares on this one until we probably do see a break of this 60.15 level, which is also this resistance here. As you can see, we've got a little bear flag going on, but overall, you know, I'm not really too fussed on AMD. I'm just letting the thing go, and then I'll take the bear short plays when we get them. If you are interested in receiving our alerts as well, make sure to click the link in our bio or our link in the description down below, as we do post free stock ideas every single day for our beloved stock Discord members. Right, so that is for AMD. Next idea, lastly, is for Tesla. If PowerPoint loads. Oh, I've got the Netflix chart. That is my bad. Just ignore that, please. So I've basically just said rejection from trend line. As you can see here, this red trend line. Now approaching volume shelf. Volume shelf, what I mean by this is if you go on the daily chart here, you can see we've got a bit of a volume shelf just here around this 210 level. So we are looking to target that on the intra-weekly basis. or at least maybe we might see it tomorrow. Maybe we'll see a break, a false breakout of this downtrend and then continuation. But ideally, I want to see this 210 level tested before I start going long. I just want to see how price reacts at this level. Ideally, I want some, bullish investors step up. But with the CPI coming out on Thursday, it could be a very, very interesting level to see tested. So I've basically just said I'm bearish on the 216.76. Currently in after hours, we're above this level, so I'm not interested in going long. Only if we're below this level, I will short. So 216.76, I'll short. I've got 213.4 and 210 as my profit targets. This 213 level is from the daily chart, which is just here on this bullish open. So these are levels I'm looking to be tested on Tesla today. Not today, on the Wednesday session. So that is it for my pre-market plan. I hope you guys like the video. And of course, give this video a little quick thumbs up if you can. And also subscribe to the channel if you are not already for more daily pre-market plans. I release these 5 days a week. And so far, each and every day, one idea has been profitable every single day so far. So it's maybe it might educate you on how to create pre-market plans. Like, these are only stocks I will literally trade for the day, unless of course my co-trader Tommy sees something, because he's quite a reliable trader as well. He's also inside our Discord. But yeah, that's basically it. It's just about trying to make a plan, and then obviously just sticking to a set amount of stocks instead of just having, maybe 15 stocks in your watch list, and then you're just trying to find a little play in the midst of them 15 stocks. It's just good to have 3 or maybe 4 stocks which you're just main focusing on. You know how they trade, the levels, when the best time is to execute your trade, or at least exit your trade as well. Maybe you want to see it do something else, and then you're not feeling right, or you're not feeling the trade, so you know when to get out. But that is just what I'm trying to preach in this little video right here. So that is it for today's video. I'll be back again with a pre-market plan for Tuesday. So I'll see you then. Best of luck, traders, in today's session, and take care.